record on this. Okay, so we are back again. I have restarted my laptop or my device, and let's see. So it's Control Shift B, and then I write Python.
Can you share screen?
Oh, okay, sorry. Share my screen. Okay. So let's see. I will open VS Code again. Wait, what is this one? No, continue converting. I'll just put it in the corner. Okay, so VS Code here. I'll just make this smaller. So then it's saying go to show and run command, then Python, and nothing. Okay, so we still have the issue. Why I'm going through this exercise to show you how we are solving issues usually. You need to be patient. So we go back to the tutorial and we read it again. So by starting VS Code in a folder, that folder becomes your workspace. Using command prompt or terminal, create an empty folder, call it hello, navigate into it, and open VS Code. VS Code, code in that folder, meaning, okay, the folder by entering the following command. Okay, code, okay, wait. So I go here, I go to hello, let's write code dot. Okay, code. Oh, something happened here. Okay, so I have code dot and something happened. I'm not sure what happened. Okay. Okay, now we have start VS Code. Okay, we have started. Now create a virtual environment. So open the command palette. Let's try again. Okay, open the command palette. I click here. Command palette. Write Y. Okay, still nothing. Okay, so we can say we can go to Google. We write VS Code command palette. No, Python. Okay, select the weather command not found in the VS Code. Let's see. So this guy is saying I have set up the project, or if I need to set up the enter, but the command Python is not found. I had the problem today. For me, it was a trust problem with the Python package. Go to the extension and type in the extension search box at the top of the extensions by Python. Okay, so we go here and we go to the extensions. I believe it's here. Then it's saying that you type the following. Artworks were unsupported. This is something new to me. Okay. Wait. And not supported, limited restricted mode. It was saying that disabled, limited. It's saying that in the extension search box at the top of the extension list, my Python was in restricted mode list. I trusted the Python extension. Okay, wait, this guy is talking about Python extension. Oh, maybe this is the issue. So if I type Python here, error fetching extension, well, okay, so wait. I think these Microsoft guys didn't write their commands correct. So we need to install for sure the Python extension, correct? So I will install this one. Okay, Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Let's see. So it's installing. Okay, it's showing me installing here if you see. Why I came to this idea? Because of the comment of this guy. He said that he was having the extension restricted, but actually we don't have the extension at all. And these guys didn't mention it in the documentation as a step. So let's see if this will work. So installing Python for the VS Code. Maybe they think that we will have it by default, but they should not. Okay, so let's now go to the show and command. We type Python. Now we have something. Okay, Python. Okay, so I go here and I thank this guy, and then I just copy the thing here, which was saying, let me just expand this. It was saying go to the Python create environment. So I copy this and I go to the VS Code, and in the hello here I go to show and run commands, and I paste this. Oh, okay, sorry, paste. Okay, Python create environment. Very good. Now, okay, we want Vim for Conda. We want Vim. Okay, which interpreter you want to use? We want to use this. And now it's creating the environment. Can you see? So what was the issue? We were not having the Python extension. And did they say about it in the documentation? No. Okay, now we know. So it's creating the environment for us. I think it will take some time, but let's see. How is it in your
How-
side?
Mister, how do we check what version of Python we have?
Okay, you go to CMD. So
Yeah.
you click CMD and then you write by dash 3 dash dash version.
PY.
Is it okay?
It tells me PY is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Okay. Did you install the Python?
Yeah, I did.
Can we see? I will
Oh, can I share screen?
Yes, I will stop sharing. Who is this? Marina?
Marina.
Okay. I will just make host. Okay, please share.
Yeah. This is what I did. We went over here. This is the command that I showed you. And then over here, when I went to extensions
No,
and
not from
Python,
here. No,
I
not
have it.
from here. Marina, you just go to the link in the chat. I'm not sure if we still have it or... Okay, the second one, yes, go to the second. First, you need to install Python from the Python website. So scroll down because,
Here?
yes, click on Python 3. Yes. Click on Python from python.org. Python from python.org, yes. Then click download Python. Because see, the one that you have installed is the extension, but you need to have the actual Python thing.
Okay. Thank you. And then I do the PY dash
Yes,
3 dash
exactly.
dash
After you
version.
finish the installation in this one, you can do the BY. So in meantime,
Okay.
let me just get back the sharing, and once you're done, we can check it.
Yes.
Okay. Can me host again?
Yes, 1 second.
Okay, so let me share again my screen. Screen share. Okay. So we were at this point. We're creating the environment. So let's see what happened. Let me just check what this guy is doing. Okay. Let this guy still be in the corner. Okay, we go to the VS Code and see what happened here. We were only having the hello folder. Now it created an environment for us, Vim. You can see. And in this Vim, we have different files, secrets. We'll come to understand this. Let's forget about the details. Let's just consider only Vim. So this is the Vim. This is where we are going to write our code. All good? Okay.
Yes.
Now, after selecting the interpreter, let's say create a, okay, so now we are going to create our first Python code, which is hello.py. Okay, so I come here from the file explorer toolbar, select the new file button on the hello folder, and then name the file hello.py. Why.py? .py means the extension to run the Python code, okay? So I come here, I click on new on hello. I click, sorry, new file. I name it hello.py. Okay. Now we have, see, I'm able to write code here now. Okay. Let's see what the code that we need to write. So we go back to the here. So by using the .py file extension, you tell the VS Code that you to interpret, meaning compile the file as a Python program, so that it evaluates the content with the Python extension and the selected interpreter. See, here they have mentioned the extension, and also at the top, they have mentioned the extension, this one, but see, it was not mentioned exactly in the steps that you need to install this. But here the regex. So you need to have Python 3, you need to VS Code, and you need to have the VS Code Python extension. So before this step here, this is for the recording. Before this step here, you need to have the Python installed in two places. You need to have Python installed in your device, in your Windows, and you need to have Python installed as an extension in the VS Code. Okay? To be able to create the environment. This one, sorry, this one. Cool? Okay.
Yes.
So let's go to the step where we are writing our first code. It's saying that now that you have a code file in your workspace, enter the following source code in HelloPy. So message, roll a dice, print message. I will just copy this and we put it here. And we say paste. And then after this, when you are start typing print, notice how, okay, they want us to type it. So let me just delete this. So I have a message. But like this, I'm defining a variable message and I'm giving it a value of roll a dice, okay? Then I want to print the message, so I say print. See, when I'm typing, it will show me what I can choose, and you can this is the IntelliSense auto completion, and you can choose from the list like this, and it will type for you, okay? And I think if I go back and write print, if I write tab, see, when I click tab, it chooses it for me. Okay. Then I open the parentheses. What I need to do? I write print message, correct? Yes, print message. Is the code understandable, guys? So what we have done, we have
Can you repeat?
yes, sure.
Can you repeat?
I have defined something called message, and I give it equal a value of roll a dice. Okay, so message, what it holds a value called roll a dice.
Okay.
Until now, understandable. Then I
Yeah.
tell the Python compiler to print this message. Where it will print in the output. We'll have an output here. See, this is the output. So what I'm expecting my program to do, it will define a message, then it will print it. Let's see. Let's run it.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see. So if I come here, finally save the file. Okay, let's save it. So I click file, save, or Control S. Okay, now we have our code ready. What we can do, click right, and we say, oh, let's follow what does it say? Run the Python code. How you run it? Run Python file internal play button. Okay, so this is the play button. You see here? Run Python file. Click. Nothing happened. Okay, click here, and we say, run Python. Okay, now it's run. See? This is the terminal. In the terminal, it's right, roll a dice, okay? Let's say hi. In the message, I will say hi. What is the app name was? What is your app? Build it yourself. Build it yourself. B-Y, build it. B-I-Y, correct? So I will say hi, B-I-Y, and I will put 2 exclamation mark, and I will say run. Hi, B-I-Y. You understand what is happening? So we are the code, and it's showing in the compiler here. Not in the compiler, in the
But
terminal.
here,
yes.
Here you change the roll a dice, right? And if you don't want it, yeah, so you change the value, and if you don't want it, can you go back?
You can Control Z.
Okay.
Understandable? Easy peasy.
Yeah.
I want you. Anyone have downloaded so we can see?
I have it downloaded, but I didn't create the file
Can I
yet.
stop
I didn't
sharing
create
and I
hello.
can go with you? I just want
Yeah.
to see one of you doing it. So let me just. I will. Who is this? Marina again?
Marina.
Okay. So I'll just make a host. Yes. Okay, Marina, share please, and let's go with you. I want to see someone of you doing it, so at least I will be satisfied that someone understand me.
Here you told us to go terminal.
Now, what happened? Tell me, you have installed Python?
Yeah, I have it installed. I finished. And I checked it for this command prompt. I checked it, and they told me, you have the 3.12.2.
Show
It
us
will be
please.
this.
Let's see it. by-3 dash version.
Here.
Super. Now you go to the VS Code, okay? And
Yeah.
what you need to do, you need to go to the search, or without going to the search, you click Control Shift P. Or I show you something better. Click on the search. Just click on the search.
Here?
No. In the search at the top. At the top.
Here, okay.
Yes, and then select Show and Run command. Show and Run command, the second one. Now type Python.
Yeah.
Yes. You see
Which
the
one?
create environment. Python create environment, the sixth one maybe. Yes.
Yeah,
Click.
but I didn't create the hello file yet.
Oh, okay. Wait. Before that, just let's go to click on file.
Terminal.
No. I will show you an easy
Terminal, you told
way.
me.
I will show an easy way. Click on
Okay.
file and say open folder. Or open folder. Yes, open folder. Okay. And click on the hello. You see the folder hello? You have it there.
Yeah.
That's it. Select folder.
Okay.
Okay, now you have the workspace opening in hello. You see the hello on the left side? Yes, I trust the
Yes.
authors. You see the hello on the left side. Now you click on the search again. Python. Sorry, no. First you need to select the second option. Show and run command. Yes. Then Python create environment. Venv.
Then,
Yes. And click on Python 3.12. Yes. And you give it some time. It will take some time to create. Okay. It's creating. On the left side,
okay.
few things are created. So we have Marina writing her first program. I am proud of you, Marina. Just wait for it.
Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Okay, the
Then,
following is selected. Now, no, on you click on
new
hello, yes,
folder.
new
New
file,
file.
and you name
And
it
then you told
hello.py. No, P from Python. Excuse my English.
it's okay. Okay, enter.
Now write
Okay.
message MSG equal.
Equals.
No, space. It's better to keep a space. Yeah, equal space. Then yeah, exactly. Write hi Marina or welcome Marina. Welcome to Python. Yeah. Okay. Then enter. Then write print. It will, yeah. If you click tab, it will make it for you. Open the two parentheses, not the parentheses. Open. I mean the open things.
This.
Exactly, but no space.
Okay.
Yes. Now write message. See, it's asking for an object or value. Yes. Now click Control S for saving. Then
Okay.
click on play on the right side. Play on the right side. Wait for
This
it.
one?
Yes. That's it. Great. So
Okay.
you have run your first Python code.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Can you give me the host again?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so we have written our first VS Code. Let me share my screen again. Okay, so we have it here. Now we have run the code, everything configured, and run the debugger. You remember yesterday we have mentioned that in an IDE we'll have a debugger that will help us to find bugs or to find issues in our code. So this is
Yeah, you told us no, it's even better to have a separate debugger with it with
that's
an
correct.
ID.
But for now, let's go with the embedded debugger. So let's now try debugging the Python program. So what you need to do is debugging is supported by the Python debugger extension, which is automatically installed with the Python extension. See here, they mentioned about the Python extension, but they didn't mention about it earlier. To ensure that you have been correctly, open the extension. So if I go to the extensions, which is Control Shift X, Then I write Python. See, Python debugger is already installed. How I know it's installed? Because there is no install button. Okay. Now, who is bored, guys? Anyone bored? All good?
Yeah, all good.
So now the Python short has been installed correctly. Open the extension we have opened. You should see the Python debugger. Okay. Next, set a breakpoint. Okay, how to set a breakpoint? What does a breakpoint mean? It's a point where your code will break to show you the values. It will break. It means that it will not run. It will break at that point. Okay. Next, set a breakpoint on line 2 of hello.py by placing cursor on the print call and pressing F9. So if I go here and I just put the cursor here and then I say F9, so F9, see, I can see there is a red dot here. This red dot means it is a breakpoint. So we can add, even you can click, huh? So now we have set a breakpoint. What it say? It say, you click on the editor letter next to the line number. When you set a breakpoint, a red circle appears. A red circle appears in the getter. So this is called the getter. Next, to initialize the debugger, press F5. Since this is your first time debugging this file, a configuration menu will open from the command palette, allowing you to select the type of debug configuration that you want to do. So select Python file. Okay, so we go here, we say F5. Okay, it's saying install Python debugger is already there, and I need to debug a Python file. Super. Now it's saying after you click, the debugger will start and then stop the first line. Okay, so now I say run and debug. Python debugger. So what happened? It's saying that at this moment of time of running your code, do you want to start another one instance? No, cancel. It's saying at this moment of time, your code is running and we have reached the line 2. We have a special variable called message and it's having this value. Anyone is confused?
But I just want to make sure the breakpoint means it doesn't print the message.
Exactly. If I put the breakpoint at line 3, it will print the message. If I have something in line 3.
Because line 3 doesn't have anything. So the debugger,
No.
the bug.
Imagine if I have I will show you something. Let's stop this. I want to stop this. How to stop? Okay, so it's saying if you examine the local variables, you'll see that the message variable appears in local panel. Okay, a debugging toolbar appears. Where is it? I want to see the debugging tool. Where? Anyone seeing the debugging toolbar? Here. You see the debugging toolbar? So I will say stop. Okay. Now to answer Marina's question, Marina asked a question about the print, correct? Message equal.
Yeah.
Hi. BYY. Okay. Then I will say print message. Okay. Now, what I will set the breakpoint here, and I will not set it here. Okay. Now run and debug. See what will happen. See, roll a dice already printed. You see? Because the breakpoint is after the print. But the message hi BIY, it didn't print. Okay. Now, if you want to go in the debugger step down, what you can do, you click on this F11. Okay. Step into. See, it went to the print message, but until now it didn't print because we didn't go over the print message. Okay. If I click again, step into, see, hi BIY, and this it's finished. Why it finished? Because there is nothing after print message. Clear now? I think it's clear, huh? No clear? Yeah. Easy, hard?
Wait, it's clear. Just what?
Who started crying? Anyone? Tell me.
What's the step into thing? Like, what does it do?
Which one? Sorry.
You said when after the breakpoint was on print message, you put step into, and I think it went down. But how does that remove the breakpoint?
Okay, we run again and we go together. Is that okay? Run and debug. Run and debug. Now, the breakpoint at this message. What is the question, Daniela?
Okay, هو you put it to the one اللي like بعده you
So
put
yeah. So what until now you have 4 line of codes, correct? Number 1 and 2 are executed. Number 3 is not executed yet. You got me? Now I click on this. When I click step into, it will execute number 3. And how you know? Because the yellow line, the yellow shade. The yellow shade means this line it didn't execute it. But if I click step into, the yellow shade will move to line 4. It means line 4 didn't run yet, but line 3 now is run. I have a message. So the value of message, see the value of message. Okay, let me just, I will do it one more time. Run and debug. See, on the left side, let it work. Okay, on the left side, you have message holding the value roll a dice, correct?
Yes.
Now when I click step into, the message become hi BIY, correct?
Oh, okay.
If you understand. Now when I click step into, the print will happen.
Oh, okay.
You understand? This is how the computer execute the actions or the commands. It is sequential. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you are giving him orders, and each order will be executed in the order. I mean, each line will be executed in the order. Clear,
Okay,
guys?
thank
It's
you.
really important.
And then what happens? What happens to the red dot after if you fixed it, the run and debug?
Meaning?
I mean, like, okay, you run and debug it. Are you always gonna have to run and debug it when you want to print the code, or you walk through the
This
code?
is only when you have a breakpoint. If I remove the breakpoint and I run again, خلاص, it have printed both. You got
Okay,
me?
and if let's say there was a bug naturally, okay, will it show
You
you
need
the
no. See, you have different type of errors. We can say there is what we call the uh, technical error or the compilation error or you have something incorrect in your code, and this will interrupt
okay,
the program. It means the program will stop and it will give you an error message. You got
okay,
me? There is another
yeah,
error, which is the human error, meaning I want this message value here to be something else, but by mistake I write roll a dice for it, or the error is like this, roll dice. Dice is not correct. This is a human error. Okay, but when I
yeah.
run, it will not tell me that no, you have a spelling mistake, because it does
Okay,
not
so for
understand.
okay,
Now
for debuggers only.
let me do one thing. I will put this message. I will comment. What comment means? This is not going to be read by the. Wait, I will teach you something nice here. If you write a code and you don't want to comment, how to comment in Python. Okay. How to comment on Python? You put a hash. Okay, so I will put a hash. Okay. See what happened? This line anymore is not read by the compiler. Okay. Now see, message is having, it's saying message is not defined, meaning you will have an error for sure. Let's run. I will run. See, I got an error. Name error, name message is not defined. This is what you are looking for, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. By this is not a human error. This is a code error. I remove the comment and then I run again. Everything will be okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Does the debugger itself find these errors, or is the run and debug only for the breaks?
Now I didn't run and debug. The program itself find it. The compiler, not you got me. The compiler find the
Yeah.
errors. So this is not. This is I don't know. Yeah. Let me just close it here. What I mean, I want to go here. Now, see, I will comment again. I don't have the run and debug, huh? When
Yeah.
I run, again, I'm having the error. It was
Yeah.
not from the run and debug.
Yeah, so you fix it then.
You mean, what you mean by I fix it?
Yeah, you yourself you have to go look through the code and fix it every time when this happens.
No, but see the good thing
Or-
here, it will tell you which line is having the error. So it's saying line 2
okay.
is having the error.
Okay.
I think is it clear now?
Yeah, I have a question. How do you get the F5 on the over here for when you want to there's a bugger? I don't understand how you get F5.
You see in your laptop you have the keyboard and you have F1,
Yeah.
F2, F3 at the top of your keyboard.
Yeah, when I tried doing F5, it
Then
didn't let me hear
there
you.
is FN, I think. You have FN in the keyboard function.
No, it's not on. Yeah, it's not on.
Yeah, you need to make the FN on, then you click F5.
FN on is Control Shift FN or what will
No,
it?
you click on FN and you click the F you want. You keep your finger on FN and you click the F that you want.
Okay. Uh, okay.
Worked?
Yeah, so Python debugger.
Yes, F5. What is that? Is it F5?
Yeah, F5.
Why didn't show on my side? Ah, it's here. Okay, for some reason I don't know what is happening here. Let me just click to run. Why it should not wait, F5?
Okay. I have the run and debug. When I press it, run and debug. I don't know what's happening.
What is the issue?
I have the breakpoint and then I have run and debug, but it's not highlighting it yellow. Like
You
what
need
happened with
to
you.
click on F5. F5 will run in the debug mode.
Okay.
Now you have highlighted?
No.
Okay, I will stop sharing. Can you please share your screen? I will give you
Yeah.
Marina. Let's see. Others are so quiet. I feel that something wrong is happening.
Okay, I have the breakpoint and then you told me for F5,
Okay, click on
right?
run and debug. Sorry, click on run and debug. No,
Okay.
click on choose Python debugger. Python debugger at the top. Yes, Python file. The first one, yeah. First time only it will ask you. Run and debug
Okay.
again. What is happening? Why it's not?
I don't know.
To customize the run, create. Wait a second. Let me check what is happening here. So it said at the documentation that you click on F5 to initialize the debugger, then select button, debugger start. It should be okay. If you want to do continue, F5. Okay. Can you do it one more time, please? Do F5.
Okay, F5. Do I press X here?
No, nothing. Something is not. Something is fishy in your side. Oh, can you remove
Here?
the breakpoint?
Okay.
Try to run now. No, not run. Okay, run and will also work. But yeah, try to put a breakpoint again. Okay, run and debug. Why like this? طيب. Can you do one thing? Put the breakpoint at the message rather than the print. Remove it from
Okay.
there and put it in the message. You click debug, run debug. Yeah.
Still works.
Oh, this This is something that I don't understand. Okay, wait. Let me think. So you have the debugging. You cannot minimize. Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. This is. It's saying that message a debugger tool appears to start debugging. Goes also. Wallahi, I am not sure. This is weird for me. Can you close the VS Code and open again? That's
This?
no, the full thing, the whole program. Yeah, open it again. Right visual. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now do F5. No, just F5. In the main window, F5 here. Python file. No, okay, it's running, wait. Oh, why? Why like this? User uncaught exceptions, hello.py. Breakpoints. You have one breakpoint. Why it's not stopping? Wallahi, this is weird.
Yeah.
Can you, for the last time, just move the breakpoint to the print message? Or set the two breakpoints, let's see. Yeah, set both. No, keep both of them. Yeah, now, run and debug. Wallahi, this is not even giving any. So wait, let me do it in my side once. Just I will do something here to see what is happening. No, the same thing I have, but I don't have the point that you have in your screen, which is customized on. Can you create a launch.json file? Click on the left side. Or wait. Let me just do one thing here. F5. Run and debug. Wallahi, it is working. Okay, I'm not sure really, Marina, what is happening here, but the only thing that I can advise you now is to restart your device, but no problem, you do it after we finish the session. And if it didn't work,
Okay.
tomorrow we see. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Sometimes, yeah, weird things happen. I'm not sure really.
it's
Uh,
fine. Thank you.
Just give me the host again, please. Okay, so it's 4:18. Are you bored or not yet?
No, it's fine.
Others are quiet. Others are quiet, and this is not a good indicator. Anyone, I want to know your opinion about what is happening here.
It was a bit hard because I'm not following up. I was waiting for it to download.
Wait, who is speaking? I'm not, your voice is not Karen, okay? Karen, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the issue? But if you can come closer to the mic because I'm not able to hear you well.
Okay. So it's just because I wasn't following up like step by step because we had the issue with the internet, right?
Okay,
So
okay,
now confusing that I wasn't following up
okay,
with everything
okay,
all the way to watch the
okay.
recording again.
To make it easy for today, I will just stop the recording. Okay, wait, where is the recording here? I hope I was recording this one at least. More stop.